After his previous proposed job collapsed in scandal, Dr Tony Holohan has a new medical role lined up. The former Chief Medical Officer, who shot to fame during the COVID-19 pandemic, is poised to become a consultant in public health medicine. Dr Holohan will be working specifically on cancer prevention and treatment. His role in the CervicalCheck scandal was the source of controversy at the time. The salary with the new job ranges up to €257,000. The HSE has confirmed Dr Holohan has been successful in the competition for a new post of consultant in public health medicine in the HSE's National Cancer Control Programme. Dr Holohan was at the centre of a scandal over a botched plan to appoint him to a university post. The role as Professor of Public Health Strategy and Leadership in Trinity College Dublin, while still on his $187,000 a year salary from the Department of Health, collapsed 2 years ago. An investigation revealed a commitment to give Trinity College €2 million a year in ring-fenced funding as part of a research package linked to the post for Dr Holohan was made without government approval or the knowledge of the Department of Health. You can read more on this story in the Irish Independent.